Namaste and welcome to today's Swadhyaya. Let us begin the class with prayer. Om Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthana Natyam Karishye Bhudevi Padasparsham Kshamaswame Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandrataradi Tam Numah Satvikam Shivam Guru Brahma Gurur Vishnum Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kitta Takka Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Taitai Didite Tam Taitai Didite Tam Taitai Didite Tam. Let us directly start today's class with Ranga Kramana Adavu. Kitta Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tam. Second variation of this, Kitta Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai. Stretch your hand, all of you, nicely. Ta. Full smile. Prasanna Mukha. Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tam. Stand in Samapadam, all of you. Third variation, which you can do in the center of the stage, center of your rehearsal space, where we had done only the legs. Let us repeat that once. Kitta Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai. Again jump there and turn this side. Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha. Alright, let us try the second speed of this now. Come forward. Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum. Maintain a remedy here. Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Ha. Neatness. How you keep your leg, how you are going to hit it in the same place and turn around your axis and not around. Okay, all those things you have to keep in mind and smile and dance. Now let us look at the hand of this. See, basically your body is turning here, but your hand is going to be this, just this. From here you are opening the hand, bringing it like this and back to the position. Exactly how you had done this, single hand. Now it looks like we are rotating the hand, but it's not. Observe me once. When I do this, I am still doing the same movement what I asked you to do. Tai Hi Ta Ha. You understand? So it is not with the hand I am doing this, but with my body I am turning. The hand is just coming along. Try once with Aditya Anna. Kitta Takka Tai Yum Dha Ta. Slowly. Tai Hi Ta Ha Tai Yum Dha Ta Tai Hi Ta Observe there, 2 times Aditya did 2 different ways. First one where the hand is moving according to the leg. That is also one way of doing it. Left side he did more gradual one, that is also another way. So, here in this gradual way, which is very effective for third speed, it will be tayyum dhattattaihittaha. It will look very graceful and easier to look at. So, let us keep that way where we do not let our leg movements affect the movement of the hands. It will be gradual. Tai, yum, dha, ta, tai, hi, ta, ha. Second speed. Kitta, takka, tayyum, dhatta, taihi, taha, tayyum, dhatta, taihi, taha. I am going to say it once. All of you please practice first speed and second speed. Ranga Kramana, third variation, around your axis, Arimandi with one hand. Kitta, start with your right hand going towards your left side. Kitta, takka, tai, yum. Look at the hand confidently with a lot of smile there. Tai, hi, ta. Look forward. Tai, yum, dha, ta, tai. Once again, first speed we will do. Ta. Maintain that Arimandi, all of you. Sit down more. Tai, yum, dha, ta, tai, hi. Even though if it is basic for you, do it. Don't give up. Yum, dha, ta, tai, hi, ta. Kitta, takka, tai, yum, dhatta, tai, hi, ta. Left side. Tai, yum, dha, ta, tai, hi. Once again, second speed. Tai, yum, dhatta, tai, hi, ta. Tai, yum, dhatta, tai, hi, ta. You should always practice in first speed. A lot of times till you get it properly, you should do it in first speed only. And even after you are able to do it in third speed, you should spend more time. Even in music, if you see, most of the singers who have practiced a lot, their shruti is never off. They have practiced the first speed, the Vilambakala, they have spent their own time there. Shadja, 1 week, 2 weeks, Rishabha, 2 weeks. Here the aim is not to do the third speed properly, no. First speed you should be able to do it like first speed, okay. There is no rush, that grace. Imagine if you are able to do first speed gracefully on stage, why do you have to do third speed? Yes, third speed also we have to do, but you will be able to do it with grace and ease only if you are able to do first speed like first speed and not something like a preparation for third speed. Alright, let us move on to a new adavu today, Kootadavu. This is the first adavu that you are learning in our school, where we are using another position apart from Arimandi or Samapadam, that is Purna Mandi or Mula Mandi. In this we have two major adavus, one is Kootadavu and also Mandi adavu. Mandi adavu is where you use your knees and touch the ground. So, let us first learn Kootadavu. Kootadavu needs lot of strength in not only in your core muscles, this time we need lot of strength in our thighs as well. So, to do the Kootadavu, you need lot of Shakti. Okay? So, let us invite Aditya in form of Shaktiman. Shaktiman. Thank you, Shaktiman. Kootadavu, the legs only. Kitta, kitta, takka. So this is the Purnamandi, where on in that knees where it is facing outside, you are going to jump on your toes. Kitta, takka, tai. Did you observe what happened there? That leg became flat and this leg you kept it outside. Once again, same side. So there are two jumps. One jump where you are keeping both your toes on the ground. In the second jump, you are keeping this leg out and that front leg, yeah. So here there are two ways of doing it. In this variation, usually what happens is students who are doing it for the first time, they will stand up. When they stretch the leg, you end up standing up. This is not Kootadavu, this is Standadavu. So you have to sit down there. Yes, this is the position for Kootadavu. Or one more option is where you are jumping on your toes and just with the second jump you are keeping this leg out, but while this leg is on again on toes and not on your heel. This. So this way you get more of this lower portion, but both are fine as far as you are not doing this standing there. One, again I am repeating, please stretch nicely. You can pause this video. You need to have stretched your legs and then come back and attempt this. Kitta, takka, tam, kitta, ta, dhin. One side two times. Tam, kitta, takka, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, takka, ta, dhinna. So this Adavu we start with our right hand. So right hand travels in both the Shikara Hasta here. From here it travels this way. So your body will remain, your hands will remain in front of your body, but one hand pushes out in either in Ardha Chandra or Pataka, both are fine. Now because we are starting with right hand going towards left, it looks like we are starting this Adavu from left, but it is not. We are keeping our right leg back, right hand forward. So you stretch this way. Kitta, tak, observe once, tam, kitta, ta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna, tam, kitta, ta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Okay, this is the first speed. Can you all try first speed once without Aditarna's help? Kit, if you want more clarity on how to do this Adavu, please rewind and watch it couple of times, then do it once. Kitta, takka, tam, kitta, ta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna, tam, kitta, ta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Second speed now. Let Aditarna try this. Kitta, takka, tam, kitta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna, tam, kitta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. I forgot to tell you, this Adavu is in Tishra Jati. This is probably the first Adavu that you are learning in different Jati other than Tattadavu 8th one, which is also in Tishra Jati or Tishra Jati Ekatalam. Tai, 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 diditai, tai, 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 diditai. Similarly, this one also, tam, kitta, tat, dhinna, tam, kitta, tat, dhinna. But you are doing only two aksharams and giving the third one as gap. Tam, kitta, tat, dhinna is gap. Tat, kitta, tat, dhinna. Okay. Now let us try second speed, only you can try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tam, kitta, tat, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna, tam, kitta, tat, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Okay, let us do only first speed and second speed. I do not want you to attempt third speed yet. Let us learn other versions, variations of this Kootadavu, then we can try. So when I used to learn, or even Aditarna or Shruti Akka, we used to do Kootadavu a lot. It's a very good Adavu for your thigh strengthening, thigh exercise, but very, very careful about making it stretched. There are several points in this adavu which we have to follow, which will make our adavu easy for us. Sometimes some of us might feel little difficult doing this adavu. It looks challenging, but if we follow certain rules on body balance, it is easier. Let us look at it once more for you. Sit down in Purnamandi, where your thighs are very active here. You are not just resting on. See, when you rest on it, it will look like this. Anna is not resting, he is lifting himself up. So, your thighs are already active and it might be shivering. It should shiver. If it is not shivering right now and you are doing it for the first time, then you are doing something wrong. You have to hold yourself up. It is not this sitting, okay? It is this. When you push your thighs nicely out, push your heel forward like this. Can you see the heel here? It should not be this way, here. From there, when you jump, it is not thumb, okay? It is thumb. You are holding in your thighs when you jump there. Thumb, kitta. It will pain at the beginning, yes, but it is a good pain. Your muscles are getting good exercise, trust me. Kitta, takka, tam, kitta. You can practice this way without the hands first, holding your hands here. Kitta, takka, tam, kitta, ta. Here, do not lean forward. Try to keep your body as much as straight as possible and back leg in the air as much as possible. Okay. So, from this position, we need to come back to exactly same position and not like this, but we have to jump and hold ourselves here. From here, come back. So, only one leg is going out and coming in, but at the same time there is a jump. That jump is very, very, very essential for this adavu. Without jump, it will look like this, where I am just keeping my leg, and no. With jump, you are getting that strength to do it. Okay? Practice this well. I am going to say the first speed and second speed of this adavu. You can all practice. At least 8 or 16 in first speed we will try to do today, and at least 20 in second speed. Ready? Kitta, takka, tam, kitta, ta, dhinna, tam, kitta, takka, ta. This is once. Now left side. Ta, dhin, left hand. Tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, takka, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, ta. I hope all of you are dancing and not sitting and watching like this. Ta, left side, last one. Tam, kitta, ta, dhinna. Tam, kitta, takka, ta. Second speed. Tam, kitta, dhinna. 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 There is beautiful correlation between dance and yoga. Whenever you do your Surya Namaskarams properly, it's very, very easy to do Koothadavu. And whenever you do Koothadavus properly, it is very easy to do lot of asanas as well. Your thighs will naturally get the strength. So, whenever you have to do any kind of practice session, try to include at least one Koothadavu in first speed, not second or third, just first speed. Just holding there. Tam, kit, ta, ta, as slow as the na. Tam, kit, ta, because you are holding your thighs here in the air. If you realize, you are holding it here, it will be tam, ki, ta, ta, dhi, na. So, till there you are holding your thighs, core muscles. It is similar to planks, but you are holding your core muscles without the help of the hands, just with your thighs. So, practice this much. Will now move to your composition part, that is Natana Madinar. Again I am repeating Ananda Tandava. So, not just for this composition, for everything, that Prasanna Mukha should be the baseline. From there you can go up or down. Okay? Start with full happiness there, that you are coming to the Kanaka Sabha of Lord Shiva. 1, 2, first one leaf. Natanam Adinar Vegunagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil Nandam Natanam Adinar Vegunagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil Nandam Natanam Adinar Vegu Nagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil Nandam Natanam Adinar Vegunagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil Nandam Natanam Adinar Vegunagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil left side Natanam Adinar Vegunagari Gamagame Kanaka Sabhayil Anandam. This Anandam, try to come to the center. So, you are gone here, little bit away with Tate Tetam. Anandam, with facing your body front only. Don't shift your God immediately here. He is still dancing in front of you there. So, Anandam, you have to come to the center. Then if you do it here and you will be here, come back to this Anandam. Okay. From here, we are going to go to a small Jati. Jati explaining how Lord Shiva is dancing. So, it starts from here. Natanam Adinar. Till here, we are still dancing the Pallavi itself. From there, the Jati starts. So, from here, Nataraja pose, not the legs, only the hands, one hand Dola, another hand Abhaya Hasta. Please remember your position of your elbows. It can be done like this if assisted with that kind of leg movement. Right now, it is this. So, let us go look at the leg movement here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. So, pull your legs nicely there. Look at this. Pull it neatly. Pull it neatly. Kitta takka natanam. Now, You are already here, hit it first, then take up. So, this is the shoulder which is facing up. Right now it was here, from there 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch us once. Kitta takka natanam okay. Kitta takka natanam going back. Adina. From there. Adina. We'll keep tapping in double speed from there. Dhalangutakadhikutakatadikitatum till dhalangutakadiku comes. Once again, can we do this? Kitta takka natanam adina dhalangutakadhikutakatadikitatum. So, beginning of this jati, we will show different attributes of Lord Shiva, the different beautiful poses. But just 4 gaps we have to give. So, including that will be 5. So, the first one, so you are here 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, instead of this, we are going to hold Damaru and very close to our ear. But look at my body here. Tam takitta. Kitta takka tam takitta. Okay. Now, Dheem takitta, second one, shift this leg, Dheem takitta, lift your leg up here. Yeah, and keeping it closer to the other knee. Dheem takitta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tam takitta, Dheem takitta. Try to make it flow from one pose to another pose and not do 1 and 2. Tam takitta, Dheem takitta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tam takitta. Here, in the first pose, keep Damaru closer to you. This is Ananda Tandava, as I explained. There are 7 different types of Tandavas, Sapta Tandavas. Ananda Tandava represents creation, beats. It's creating something. It's creating new life. So, here he is closer. The Damaru is closer to him and Agni is far away. Agni comes to play when it is Samhara Tandava. Now, let us look at this pose once again. Tam takitta, kitta takka tam takitta, Dheem takitta. Now, from there, let us just keep this front leg back. Tom takitta. Now, from there, you have to turn back to Nam takitta. Your left hand will be Simhamukha, right hand will be Tripataka, and these elbows are down, not in this position but down, almost touching here, and this is the position. We will repeat again. Tam takitta, Dheem takitta, Tom takitta, Nam takitta. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tam takitta, Dheem takitta, Tom takitta, Nam takitta. Okay, let us practice from going back now. Okay, ta ta ka na ta nam adina vegu dhalangu takadhiku takatadikita tom tam takitta Dheem takitta tom takitta nam takitta. It goes in Khanda Jati. Takka takitta, takka takitta, takka takitta, takka takitta. Now, you have turned back and give in this particular position. From here, we are going to bring our hand on the waist like this with Ardha Chandra Hasta, all of you, not just male dancers, here. And we are going to bring, see, it is basically Tai Tai Diditai, but we are hitting only Tai Diditai. Tai Tai Diditai, Tai Tai Diditai. We are hitting only the last Tai Diditai. It will be Kitta Takka Tai Tai Diditai, Tai Tai Diditai. So, your right leg bring it in and hit Tai Diditai, Tai Diditai. From here, you have to repeat the same choreography, but imagining this is your front now. ताम तक्किट धीम तक्किट तोम तक्किट तक्किट तै दिदि तै. As you can start with right leg only because we have done this side. Tai didi tai, tai didi tai. Okay, it remains the same, just the front and back that changes. Let us look at it once. Observe Aditya now doing once. We'll start from the tapping one. Kitta takka dhalangu taka dhiku taka tadi kitta tom tam takkitta dhim takkitta tom takkitta nam takkitta tai didi tai tam takkitta takkitta tom takkitta takkitta tai didi. Start with right leg only. From here tai didi tai didi tai. All of you can try once. Kitta takka natanam aadinar dhalangu taka dhiku taka tadikitta tom takka takkitta takka takkitta takkitta takka takkitta tai didi tai takka takkitta takkitta takka takkitta dhikitta tai didi tai. Let's start with the Tripataka Hasta Vinyoga. Makute is the crown. Vrikshabhaveshu, to imagine a tree. Vajre is the thunderbolt or Vajrayudha. Vajre Tataravasave is the one who wields Vajrayudha, that is Indra. Tataravasave Ketaki Kusume is to show Ketaki, it is a flower. Ketaki Kusume. Deepe is to show a lamp. Vanhijwala Vijrumbhane is to show rising flames. So you can't just do it here, it needs to go higher. Next is Kapote, it is to show a pigeon. Alapadma is behind, so I am using my left hand here, and on top of that Alapadma rests. So this is to show a pigeon. You might have seen these pigeons with a circular tail. Kapote Patralekhayam, to write a letter. Patralekhayam. Banarte is to shoot an arrow. You can do this, you can do this also. Banarte. Parivartane is to show repetitive movements. Parivartane. Once again. Makute. Vrikshabhaveshu. Vajre. Tataravasave. Ketaki Kusume. Deepe. Vanhijwala Vijrumbhane. Kapote Patralekhayam. Banarte Parivartane. Yujyate Tripata Koyam. Katito Bharato Tamaihi. Yujyate Tripata Koyam. Katito Bharato Tamaihi. We will wind up the class today with Shlokam. Om Vishnu Shakti Samutpanne Sarva Varna Mahitale Aneka Ratna Sampanne Bhumi Devi Namostute. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Namaskaram. Kitta Takka Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Takkitta Tam Takkitta Tam Takkitta Tam. Namaste. Don't push yourself too much. Just this.